Hey guys, happy Friday night. It's Jackie from the basement, happy with a twist. Acrylic Porous Plus. If I'm out of breath, well, I am. We're going to do, oh God help us, we're going to do another attempted blowout tonight. I just want to be sure I have enough paint already on here. Alrighties. Okay, we have, I believe, 5 colors over here that we're going to be using. We got the 24K gold, some kind of a blue, some Peruvian, maybe? Prussian blue? What is it? It starts with C. Crimson, there we go. And strawberry red, which is a metallic. It looks a lot like a copper. So, I've got a new hairdryer. God help me. God help me. God help it. So we're going to try it the way I've seen others do it, not the way that Jackie does it. Because we'll see, no, that did not turn out well. Alright. Corner, you don't look so good. Nor do you, lady. That corner talked back to me. Okay. Alright. Yep. It's been a crazy day at work. It's all fine till I got the pervert. He's a pervert or drugged or I don't know. Very strange. They find me. There's the chair. They find me. Alright. What color are we going to start out with? Hell if I know. Okay. Let's try the... These seem like very small amounts. This is like a turquoise with a purplish tone to it. I wish I could tell you the name of it. My desk is an absolute disaster. Okay, so we're just going to... Hope you can see over this way. He's going to dribble. Okay. Here, ooh. That almost looked professional. Almost. Alright, let's go with the crimson next. And I want to tell you, mixing these up is a B and a half. Alrighty. You gotta make sure their consistency is just right. And I'm just doing this so I can tell later on when I view it what went wrong. Some are in rare form tonight, guys. Sorry. And this again. Alright. Then we're going to put some of the 24K gold on top of that. You got so much more water to this. Ooh, that looks good. Looks nice and runny. Alright. You know what I did not make is any black. Probably should have. Okay, we have left out the Peruvian. Is that what it's called? Blue. Which is a gorgeous, like a navy. Oh, I gotta put that in a dang bottle. Alrighty. Okay, so we're gonna swivel it. Because, you know, Jackie's gotta put her own little flair into there. I swear there's something down here. Breathe. And it wasn't me. Penny, are you down here? No. Alrighty. Okay, now we're gonna go in with that strawberry thing. STJ. You want a drink? It's strawberry. Alright. I'm sorry, guys. I'm in rare form tonight. Okay. And there we go. Alright. Now, if everything goes well, I can't guarantee anything. This should work. I've watered down some white. Oh, I just hope this does not spray on me. I really do. And over here. Okay. I will squeal if this actually works. Okay. You know what I'm going to do, people? I'm going to put my apron on because this is the one shirt and pants I don't have any paints on. Have any paints on. Blah, blah. Where did the dang? There you are. All right. You might get the PG rated tonight. I don't know. Maybe it's gone past the PG and into the R. I don't know, guys. Okay, we're not going to use the gloves. Ding! What ding? Okay. Oh, for heaven's sake, Jackie, can you hurry? I'm trying. All right. Okay, guys. Here we go. Fingers crossed, please. Look at that blue does. My God. Can you see it? Oh, alright. As everything falls onto the floor. Okay, I'm not real sure how to use this. So we're going to put on wavy, straight, hang held. Ooh, okay. Okay, hold it upside down. Gonna hit it on the cool blast. Yeah, we got a problem. It's not moving. Why is it not moving? We're gonna do this till we get it right. Or until my phone runs out of juice or memory. We're gonna get this, by God. Okay. Ooh, okay, okay. So wavy is cool. Okay, alright. It's like it's just stagnant, isn't it? Alright, however I'm doing it, it's working. I don't understand it. Okay. Somebody tell me how I was holding it. I think we're going to push and go, maybe, over here. Alright. Anyhow. Yeah, a little bit nutty tonight, aren't we? Okay. I don't think we really need any down here. Let's just spoosh some in there. Let's go a little bit more with that blue. No, don't mess with me. Thank you. Alright. Do some more of the strawberry. It's the music that's making me do this. Oh, heavens. Whoopsie doody. Back up we go. I gotta find out who gets to hold this out. I wonder. Looks like it's kind of drying just a wee bit. Okay. Come on, guys, come on. Good news. Just stay cool. Okay. Quite pleased with that. Alright. Yeah. What do we think? I could totally use some more white right here. Which one did I use for that? That one. But we're going to use this one. This one's not as thick. It might be the base that's too thick. Oh. Okay. Let's try and break that just a wee bit. Okay, I'm going to say we made a little bit more progress than the first time. Nothing great, but we made some progress. Okay. That too there looks very dry. Let's do something. Well, let's put some more of this down. I just don't know where. It's kind of like left. We'll just see what we can do with this. Probably, hopefully not mess it up too horribly. Alright. So far, no paint on here. So far. We're going to try it upwards. Oh. Aha. Excuse me. Hang on it, dang it. I'm going to pull that out now. There we go. Zoom. Okay. Okay, we've got it moved. We've experimented. I have paint running off the table onto the floor. What else is new? Going to reach across here, get a skewer. Okay. Just going to try to make a little bit of, I don't know, colorful speak. Movements, maybe? Don't expect anything from me. No. Bring out some of these. What's wrong? Okay. Yeah. I don't know if I'm surprised, delighted, upset. I don't know what emotion I am. I'm going to bring you guys down so we can see a close-up of this together. Helmets and seatbelts, please. Here we goes. Oh, there we go. Yay. Let's get you in focus. Okay. And, okay. I like that in there. That's not real sure. I guess it was the white and the strawberry. The strawberry. Oh my God. Okay. I may have whooshed it too much. Oh, look at the cells we got there. Pretty pretties. And it may have blended some. Oh, there's some more cells. Oh, I probably need to take the torch to it, huh? Oh, it looks kind of ghostly. Birthday. Okay. I was like, where's the end of it? It's different. How's that? We will see what it looks like when dry. But yes, let me put you back up here. Watch you out. Don't get pinched. Don't get... Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm in a silly mode. I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna... Nothing flammable. Good. Okay. Alright guys, well, I think that's going to be it for me tonight. I got a lot to clean up here. Oh boy. Where did my phone go? Oh, it's over here. Never mind. Alright guys, so we will see you next time, and yeah, everybody stay safe. My gosh, stay as warm as you can. It's cold out there. We'll see you guys next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye bye, y'all.